I have a quinoa here, and then I have red peppers and sausage right there. But this is how it peels. It just peels so easy. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Teresa, aka 50 Plus 2013. Hope all is well. Today I have a video showing some random groceries that I picked up. And with that, I will be also showing some random meals that I fixed for myself, which is like a breakfast, a lunch, and a dinner. And it was just a few days of what I ate. But I just wanted to share the groceries with you, and they are truly random. So without further ado, if you would like to see what I picked up, I know you can see some of it in the background here, but if you want to see what I picked up more in depth, please stay tuned. But first, I would like to welcome anybody who's tuning in for the first time to my channel. I thank you so much for tuning in. And if you'd like to subscribe, please subscribe and click that bell so that you can get notification when I upload videos, which are twice a week. I thoroughly enjoy making videos, so I hope you click that subscribe button so that I can just read your comments, because I love reading comments and just get acquainted with you. All right, on to the food. Lately, I've been trying to drink some lemon water first thing in the morning, and I just use my Starbucks reusable cup, and I just cut up lemons and put them in this gelato container, lemons and limes, and so I can have them pre-sliced. And that's what I usually like to drink first thing in the morning, kind of take away the hunger pains. And then I boiled eggs ahead of time, so this is like 2 eggs cut up in fourths. In fourths. And then I have some homemade iced coffee that I just use make with my Keurig. So I'm having boiled eggs and iced coffee, and that's my breakfast. And I have my vitamins with that, and my vitamins usually are in the container for Monday, Sunday through Saturday. And so today is Monday, and that's what I've eaten up until lunchtime, or if I decide on a snack. This is my lunch, and it's chimichangas, 2 of those, beef and cheese, a banana, and it's a medium banana, and some water. And I'm just documenting what I eat, just see if you're interested. Not like I'm trying to lose weight or anything, or present to you a healthy diet. This is what I eat in a day. And this is my final dinner: quinoa, sausage, shrimp, and broccoli. And it's just this bowl, which is not a big bowl at all. Comparison, see, that's the size of the bowl. So that's my dinner. This is day 2, Tuesday, what I'm having for breakfast. Another boiled egg. It's just a couple of boiled eggs cut into fourths. So it looks like a lot. And then some coffee with the French vanilla non-dairy sugar-free creamer, which I didn't even know it was sugar-free until just now. I have a quinoa here, and then I have red peppers and sausage right there. Put some in here for my dinner, and then here for lunch tomorrow. So I'm just going to divide it up. And on top of there, I'm always losing food when I'm showing you at the same time. So here is my dinner for tonight. And I'm just going to call it a quinoa bowl, because it's just quinoa, red peppers, and sausage. And then I have this bit left over to take for lunch. And then what's left in the pot, I'll more than likely eat for dinner tomorrow. So for my dinner, I'm having a Greek salad. And I just bought the ingredients and made it myself, which is feta cheese, black olives, and the salad, romaine mixture salad, and then the star is the Greek vinaigrette. And then I just made another one for work tomorrow for my lunch. Oh, and I forgot to say that red onions. So I already stirred this one up, so that's why you can't see it. But I haven't put the salad dressing on it yet. Do that right now. I know that I'm probably going to have a, let's see, one of the, I'll show you. The drink that I'm having is just some cranberry grape with some lemon in it. And then it's kind of diluted with water because, I don't know, I don't mind diluting it. But, so that's the drink. And then I'll have a lumpy bumpy. And I was going to show you how I peel this. It's like a mandarin or tangerine or a bunch of those combined together, and I guess that's where it gets its lumpiness from just the combinations. But this is how it peels. It just peels so easy. If you could see that. Go ahead and peel this because I'm going to be eating this later on, but I'll just put it in a bowl right now. But yeah, so there you have it. It's that big. And I know I showed this in a haul last year, but lumpy bumpies, so good. And so I picked up a bag of these. I picked up the coconut strips, which are one of my favorite snack. It's dried coconut. And all of these things I picked up at Walmart. I picked up this big old box of Rice Krispie treats, and yeah, we don't want to dwell on that too much. I also picked up a bell pepper, a red pepper. I picked up some turkey smoked sausage. I picked up a thing of celery, which I'm so curious if I have any peanut butter, but I was just going to snack on this in the evening because I've been watching videos where people are trying to drink celery juice, and I was thinking, you know, I'd rather just eat the whole thing. I don't need to, I don't have a juicer in the first place, but at the same time, I would just eat the celery and have all the benefits of it, you know, the fiber and all. And by the way, sidebar, I'm making quinoa. I really love it. So I also picked up this here, and this is great value. This is like it's like Crystal Light, that's all. And I always get those, but I figured I'd get it in a variety instead of just one specific flavor. A can of sardines, Walmart brand, packed in water. I always get the 100 calorie pack, not for the calorie wise. I just like the convenience of the package, little packs. It's 10 packs of natural almond. This is something that I tried. A coworker let me try this, so I picked this up. And this is just a Premier protein, and it's 4 drinks in here. And she kind of diluted it with water. And basically I was complaining how it's hard for me to eat breakfast, and it's really difficult for me to just even consider food in the morning when I first wake up. So she was saying that she just had bypass surgery, so she said that that's what she drinks. And basically she takes one of these blender bottles, and she put pour half of it in and the rest half with water. And that's how she made it when she let me try it today, and it was so good. It didn't taste diluted or anything. So I picked up some cheddar and sour cream chips. I haven't been able to find the ones that were the really thick ones that I talked about a few hauls ago. So I'm still on this craze, but I'm so disappointed that I haven't been able to find them since I bought the bags. I'm so glad I bought 2 bags that day. And then I have Ocean Spray Cran Grape. I love cran grape drink. And I really don't drink juice. I'm not like a juice person, so that's one that I will like. Any other juices is just me drinking for health reasons. Not health, but just to have a healthier drink in my life besides water. And I picked up 2 dozens of eggs, and like majority of them are in here, and then some I boiled just to make some meals with. And like I said, it's pretty random. Pretty random. I think that I'm going to try to make a grocery list because I don't know. This way is expensive because you can't track really what you spend, and it's like it just ends up being like not right. So, all right. So that's the end of the video. Hope I'm